In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo on Adobe Acrobat. Undo is one of those simple, essential tools that can save you time and stress whenever you're editing a PDF. Whether you type something you don't like, drew a shape in the wrong spot, or made a quick markup you want to take back, Undo lets you instantly reverse your last action. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. This works in the standard desktop app, and the experience is similar whether you're using Acrobat or Acrobat Reader. When the app loads, head to your recent files or browse to the location of your document. You can use File, then Open, or simply drag and drop a PDF into the window. Pick the PDF you want to work on so we have something to test. Next, make a quick change to the document. If you want to type text, select the tool that lets you add or edit text. Then click on the page and start typing. If you're just experimenting, write a short note so it's easy to see. If you prefer to draw, switch to the comment or drawing tools and choose the pencil or shape option. Then sketch a quick line or circle anywhere on the page. The exact tool names can vary slightly by version, but the idea is the same. Create a small edit you can undo. Now for the key moment. To undo your last action on Windows, press Ctrl and Z together. If you're on a Mac, press Command and Z. You'll see your most recent change disappear. You can press the shortcut multiple times to step backward through your recent edits, one action at a time. This works for text you typed, drawings or highlights you added, comments you placed, and many other quick actions. Keep in mind that certain operations, like saving the file, printing, or exporting, aren't part of the undo history. If you prefer not to use the keyboard, you can also click the Undo button in the toolbar at the top of Acrobat, or go to the Edit menu and choose Undo. And if you change your mind after undoing, use Redo to bring the change back. On Windows, that's usually Ctrl and Y, or Ctrl+Shift and Z, and on a Mac, it's Command+Shift and Z. A quick tip before we wrap up. The undo history is tied to the document while it's open. If you close the file and reopen it, you'll start fresh. So, as you work, don't hesitate to rely on Ctrl+Z or Command+Z to experiment safely. Open Acrobat, open your PDF, make your change, and undo it instantly. That's all there is to it.